How are repair draws managed?
Answer. Lenders typically have inspections after stages of work, then release funds accordingly.
Question. Can I live in the property while it's under hard money loan?
Answer. This varies by lender, but many prefer the property to be solely for investment.
Question. What's the minimum loan amount for most hard money loans?
Answer. This varies, but many lenders have a minimum, often around $50,000.
Do hard money loans have a balloon payment?
Answer. Many do, requiring a borrower to pay the remaining balance at the end of the loan term.
What's the typical loan term for a hard money loan?
Answer. Typically 6 months to 3 years, but it varies per lender.
Question. Can I pay off a hard money loan early?
Answer. Yes, but check for prepayment penalties.
Question. How's the after repair value determined?
Answer. It's the estimated value of the property after renovations, often determined by appraisals or comparable sales.
Question. Do I need a business entity to get a hard money loan?
Answer. While not always required, many lenders prefer lending to LLCs or corporations over individuals.
Question. What if the property needs a permit for renovations?
Answer. Securing necessary permits is typically the borrower's responsibility.
Question. How do I calculate my return on investment with a hard money loan?
Answer. Subtract all costs, purchase, renovations, loan costs from the expected sales price, and then divide by total costs.
Question. Are there any hidden fees with hard money loans?
Answer. Always review the loan agreement. Some lenders might have additional fees.
Question. Can I roll the interest payments into...
Answer. Some lenders allow this, but it increases the loan balance.
Question. Do hard money lenders require a business plan or proposal?
Answer. Many do, especially for larger projects or less experienced investors.
Question. How do I exit a hard money loan?
Answer. Common exits include selling the property, refinancing with a traditional loan, or paying off with other funds.
Question. Do hard money lenders require title searches?
Answer. Yes, to ensure the property has clear title.
Question. What's the difference between a first lien and a second lien hard money loan?
Answer. A first lien is the primary debt secured by the property, while a second lien is a subordinate to the first.
Question. Can I get a hard money loan if I'm a foreign investor?
Answer. Yes, but terms and requirements might differ.
Question. Do hard money lenders offer construction loans?
Answer. Some do, but they often have different terms and requirements.
Question. How do hard money lenders handle foreclosure?
Answer. If a borrower defaults, the lender can initiate foreclosure to recoup their investment by selling the property.